Hey fans, welcome to Math with McMurdo. I hope you enjoy these videos. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we're going to look at the Unit 3 Study Guide, Problem 1. Hillary bought apple cider at a store. She bought 2 boxes of cider. Each box cost $3.56. She also had a coupon for 50 cents off her total order. The total cost in dollars Hillary paid can be found by using this expression. Inside the parentheses, we have 2 times 3 and 56 hundredths. Close the parentheses, subtract 50 hundredths, or 5 tenths if you want to say that. And then we have to figure out what her cost was. This is a give-me problem. Any problem where they give you everything you need to know to solve it. They're telling you the steps you need to solve it. We know with our order of operations, we always start with our grouping symbols. So the first thing we're going to do is 2 times 3 and 56 hundredths. Now when we're multiplying with numbers that have decimals in them, we're going to ignore the decimal point. And we're just going to multiply 356 times 2, which gives me 6 times 2 is 12, 10, 11, 6, 7. So I have 712. Now I go back to where my number is. It has 2 numbers behind the decimal point in the problem, none here, 2 here. That means I have 2 behind it in the answer. So now I know that it's 7 and 12 hundredths subtract 50 hundredths. When I'm adding and subtracting decimals, for the love of Pete, please line up the place values. So I have 7 and 12 hundredths, subtract, the decimal point is in front here, so the 5 is in the tenths place. So we have 5, 0. We are subtracting. Line up the place values. So I have the ones place. This doesn't have a ones place. I have the tenths place. I have the hundredths place, and they're lined up. All you have to do when adding and subtracting is line up the decimal points. That lines up every place value. And then if we need to add zeros to the back of it behind the decimal point, we can. But for the love of Pete, just line up the place values, because I saw too many people working this week that didn't line up the place values. So now we have 2 subtract 0 is 2. We have 71 subtract 5. So I could do 71 subtract 5 pretty easy. 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 65, nope, 66. So it should be 66 or 6 and 62 hundredths, which means they paid $6.62 was Hillary's cost. $6.62, which sounds reasonable if there's 2 of them that cost that much. So one of them would be $1.06, because if I took 50 cents off that, it would be $1.06. And then the other one would be $3.56. So that sounds about right. Thank you for watching. Please, for the love of Pete, subscribe. I am sure we rock and rolled some math. I am sure you loved every second of it. Let other people know. Share, like, subscribe, and share again. Please let the world know how much fun you had watching these videos.